So, how do you add or remove a passkey on WhatsApp? So, to start off, let's open up the WhatsApp application. Now, here we need to go to the top right and click on the settings here. So, three dots, click on it and press on settings. Now, here you just need to go to account, and here you need to click on passkeys. Now, as you can see, we can create a passkey here. So we can log in securely and protect our account when we create this passkey. So let's create a passkey. Now here you would be prompted to which Gmail you would be using. And this is the number that you're currently logged in. And if you press continue and use your fingerprint, now here the passkey has been created and you can manage your passkeys here. Now, if you want to delete your passkey, you just need to press on delete and delete passkey. Now, as you can see, passkey is now deleted. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.